Today I'm coming to you with my favorite tactical pants ever made. What are they? They're the Helicon Tex UTP Urban line of pants. They are awesome. This is 4 pairs right here that I've owned. The gray ones for like 7 years. They're all like 5 years old except for this pair, which is only about 4 years old. These are amazing pants. They're durable, they're super comfortable. One of my favorite features about them is the high cut crotch. So you're not always trying to adjust your pants as you bend over, lean down, do all kinds of things. They have pockets all over the place and perfectly sized, even for larger cell phones. We have front pocket, we have 2 front pockets, we have zippered side pockets, we have nice sized and comfortable front pockets, back pockets with a little knife pocket in it on both sides, wide belt loops. These are just amazing pants. I love them. They're made by Helicon Tex, a company out of Poland that makes tactical and military gear. I absolutely love these pants and just wanted to tell you guys about them, because if you want a good quality, high quality pair of tactical pants that work right and last a long time and put up with a lot of abuse, then these are the ones for you. I'm Michael with Asymmetrical Preparedness. Thank you for allowing me to be part of your day.